Your tears change depending on the emotion. Your body literally cries in different languages. We've all felt them: the sudden welling, the blurry vision, the quiet dignity, or the raw, undeniable release. Tears. They are one of the most universal human experiences, a testament to the depth of our inner world. But what if I told you that not all tears are created equal? For centuries, we've understood tears as a simple outflow of emotion, a sign of sadness, joy, or frustration. But modern science is revealing something far more profound, something that will change the way you see every single drop you cry. Researchers have discovered that the very structure of your tears changes, literally transforming under a microscope depending on the emotion that sparked them. Imagine this: a tear born of pure, unadulterated joy. A tear from a hearty laugh, a reunion with a loved one, or the overwhelming beauty of a sunset. Now, picture a tear shed in deep sorrow, the kind that accompanies loss, heartbreak, or profound empathy. And finally, consider the tears of stress, the kind that well up when you're overwhelmed, anxious, or pushed to your limits. Under a powerful microscope, these aren't just drops of salt water. They crystallize into unique, intricate landscapes. Tears of joy might form beautiful, symmetrical patterns, almost like tiny snowflakes, reflecting the harmony of the moment. Tears of sadness, on the other hand, can create more chaotic, sprawling, fractal-like structures, mirroring the disarray and complexity of grief. And stress tears? They often exhibit dense, compact formations, perhaps a visual echo of the pressure building within us. It's like each emotion has its own unique fingerprint, pressed onto the very water that flows from our eyes. But how is this possible? Tears aren't just water. They're a complex cocktail of oils, antibodies, enzymes, and electrolytes. And crucially, they contain different concentrations of proteins and even hormones depending on their origin. Emotional tears, for instance, are known to contain more stress hormones like ACTH and prolactin, which the body is literally flushing out as a coping mechanism. This biological release isn't just symbolic. It's a tangible way our bodies attempt to restore balance. This isn't just a fascinating scientific curiosity. It's a profound insight into the intricate connection between our minds and bodies. It adds a whole new layer to understanding what it means to be human. Now, for some mind-blowing facts. Fact 1. More than just emotional tears. Did you know there are 3 main types of tears? Basal tears constantly lubricate and protect your eyes. Reflex tears flush out irritants like smoke or onions. And then, of course, there are emotional tears, the ones we're talking about today, born from our feelings. Fact 2. Women cry more often, but men cry longer. On average, women shed tears 2 to 5 times more often than men, but when men cry, their bouts of crying often last longer. Fact 3. Crying releases endorphins. Emotional tears aren't just flushing out stress hormones. They also release oxytocin and endorphins, our body's natural pain relievers and mood elevators. So, a good cry can actually be a form of self-soothing. So, what does this extraordinary science teach us? Firstly, it reminds us to honor our tears. Whether they're tears of joy, sadness, or stress, they are a powerful physical manifestation of our inner world. They are not a sign of weakness, but a profound expression of our humanity. Secondly, it encourages greater empathy. When someone cries, remember that their tears are speaking a complex language. They might be flushing out stress, processing deep grief, or overflowing with joy. Instead of dismissing them, approach with curiosity and compassion. And finally, it urges us to listen to our bodies. If you find yourself crying frequently from stress, perhaps your body is sending you a powerful message to slow down, to seek support, or to address the underlying pressures in your life. Don't ignore the silent signals your body is sending. Your tears are not just water. They are a secret language, a beautiful, microscopic map of your emotions, constantly evolving and telling your unique story. The next time you feel the welling of emotion, pause. Listen, for in every drop, your body is speaking volumes. If you found this fascinating, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.